Just as your skin needs care and nourishment, your tresses too require your loving attention. A basic hair care routine can go a long way in ensuring healthy hair. Experts caution against an overdependence on chemical products though, when it comes to chalking out a robust hair care plan. Instead, look for natural remedies. In fact, you can find some of the hair solutions in your own home. Today, we will share with you how to use guava leaves for long hair grow. Promise your hair will never stop growing. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need guava leaves. Guava leaves are as great as the fruit, which is credited for being a powerhouse of nutrients and is widely popular too. Just like the fruit, the leaves too contain vitamin B and C, which help boost collagen activity required for hair growth. Dr. Sapna Virashini, cosmetic surgeon and hair specialist, Kakuna Center for Aesthetic Transformation, says, its benefits are many-fold. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties which help to maintain a healthy scalp. The vitamin C content improves collagen activity, aiding in hair growth, and the lycopene content gives protection from sun's UV rays. In short, guava leaves helps one to have a good hair growth solution without burning one's pocket. Second, we need onion. Onions contain dozens of medicinal chemical compounds that have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory actions in the body and promote good heart and gut health. Onions are added to almost every meal that we eat every day. Apart from this, onions are said to be good for hair growth. Yes, you read that right. Onion juice is one-time tested elixir that requires attention from people looking to grow thick and long hair. Third, we need coconut oil. Coconut oil, the peak of all oils. It's gained such a glowing reputation because there aren't a lot of things coconut oil can't do. It's one of those do-it-all miracle oils that might as well be the beauty world's holy water. Not sure what all the hype is about? Well, coconut oil has the power to burn fat, bless you with healthy, thick hair, fight off bacteria, seamlessly remove makeup, work as a whitening toothpaste, and more. Although we could go on and on about its uses, today we're here to talk about hair, and the many ways coconut oil can help in that category. Then do blending this ingredient. How to use this spray. This spray use only overnight. Because an overnight hairspray that helps stimulate the hair follicles by increasing circulation to the scalp for enhancing hair growth, which thickens the hair. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.